everybody, my name is Azucena.
And my name is Alyssa.
And today we're going to walk you through how to do the edible aquifer activity. This activity can be delicious, but make sure that you get permission from your parents or guardians before using any food products. You can find this activity on our website at...
Yay! And if you love ice cream as much as I do, this is the perfect activity for you. And if you haven't checked out our previous activities, make sure to do so.
Here are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need the edible aquifer visual aid, vanilla ice cream, clear soda, sprinkles, crushed chocolate cookies, gummy bears, drinking straws, spoons, clear cups, trash bags, and paper towels.
Wow, Zoo, that's a lot of yummy stuff. But what does any of that have to do with an aquifer? Better yet, what's an aquifer?
That's a great question, Alyssa. An aquifer is an underground layer of rocks and soil holding water. Aquifers can be just a few feet under the soil or can be hundreds of feet deep. The reason that we have all this yummy stuff is because each item, whether it be ice cream or sprinkles, represents the different layers of an aquifer. You can see this on your visual aid.
Okay, awesome. Are you ready to begin?
I know I am.
Let's first begin by grabbing all of our materials and placing them in front of us.
First, we are going to grab one clear cup and place it in the middle. Then we'll place our soda, cookie crumbles, gummy bears, ice cream, and sprinkles. We will also place a spoon next to each item so we can scoop it into our cup.
Okay, now that we have placed all of our items in front of us, what's next, Alyssa?
That's a great question, Azu. Now it's time to talk about each layer of the aquifer and its functions while we build our own.
Yay! I am so excited to learn all about aquifers.
All right, our first layer is groundwater. Groundwater is exactly what it sounds like, water underground. Groundwater is found in the cracks and spaces of soil, sand, and rock. This is represented by the clear soda in front of you. Let's go ahead and pour just a little bit into your cup.
Our next layer is sand, gravel, and rocks. This is represented by your cookie crumbles. Now cover the clear soda about 1/3 of the way with your cookie crumbles. Observe how the soda fills in the spaces between the cookie crumbles. This is the same for the aquifer. Water fills in the spaces between the sand, gravel, and rocks.
Our next layer is hard surfaces or rocks. This is represented by the gummy bears. Add a scoop of gummy bears in and watch to see if the water level rises or lowers. The level of soda in your cup represents the water table. The level of water in a water table may rise or lower as things are added or taken from an aquifer. In this case, the water table may lower slightly as the gummy bears absorb the soda and grow.
The next layer of our aquifer is called the confining layer. This is usually clay or dense rock. The water is confined below this layer. This means that there is little to no room for the water to pass through this layer. Today, our confining layer will be represented by ice cream! Ice cream.
Now let's go ahead and add another layer of gravel and sand. Remember, these are the cookie crumbs.
The next layer of our aquifer is the porous top layer of soil. This is grass, fertilizers, and pesticides. This is represented by sprinkles. Hey Alyssa, can fertilizers and pesticides pollute the aquifer?
If they're used in unrecommended amounts, they can be. So it's very important we use them as directed to keep our waters clean.
Now using the straw, drill a well into the center of your aquifer and push it all the way to the bottom of the cup. Slowly begin to pump the well by sucking water out of your aquifer. Watch as the water table lowers.
Now that the water table has gone down, how do you think we can replenish it?
Rain?
Yes, that's correct. Pretend it's raining and recharge or replenish the aquifer by adding more soda. Remember, a real aquifer takes a lot longer to recharge. This is just an example to speed up the process and give you a little bit more soda to drink.
Now that we have finished our edible aquifer, it's time to eat it. Yummy.
Now that we've learned all about aquifers, let's make sure we're doing our part to keep our waters clean.
had an amazing time building an aquifer with us. And as always,
Make sure to follow for more.